Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by locating the emitters you want removed. Open Roblox Studio and the specific place, then turn on Explorer and Properties so you can inspect instances. Use the Explorer search box to find particle emitter, trail, or beam objects because they often live inside parts or attachments. Once you see them, click each to confirm behavior in the viewport. You are doing this to identify whether to disable, edit, or delete, which keeps gameplay consistent and avoids accidental removals. Now you take action with code so changes repeat reliably. Create a script in Server Script Service for global removal or a local script if client only. Iterate with workspace get descendants, then check each descendant. If descendant is a particle emitter or descendant is a trail or descendant is a beam, then either call descendant, destroy, to remove it completely, or set descendant. Enabled equals false to disable emission while keeping configuration. Make sure to test in play mode so you see effects under the same runtime conditions. Finish by testing and locking in the change. Run play and walk through zones where particles appeared. Confirm they no longer spawn. If you removed in a local script, make sure server-side spawners aren't recreating them, so prefer server scripts for persistent removal. If particles keep appearing, inspect other scripts, plugins, or modules that may reparent emitters at runtime and disable those spawners. If things go wrong, re-enable saved copies or revert via version history to recover quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.